Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the ZTE AXON 30 5G. This AXON 30 5G is international version. Yeah, they have released the Chinese version a couple days ago. I haven't watched any reviews about it because I don't want my video to be affected by those reviews, because I want to be totally honest with you guys. Without further ado, let's get started. Warning: cancer and reproductive harm. Blah blah blah. Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform. Qualcomm aptX adaptive and licensed by so many Qualcomm. Wi-Fi 6 certified. Low blue light hardware. Solution gold. And this, the text too small, I cannot see very clear. Yeah, I know what you guys, gonna comment on my video. Oh, can you compare with the Mi Mix 4? Can you guys compare with the Oppo? No worries, I will do that. But in this video, it's just gonna be a very simple unboxing and my first impression, probably a few photo samples from me, and that's it. Okay, I will do more detailed videos later. Just be patient, I'm one man. Ooh, so that's the phone. Ooh, looks fancy, yeah? I haven't read any specs information about it, so I don't know the camera information, but it looks awesome, seems like. And the texture feels really smooth. It has a good feel in your hands. We'll take a look very soon. And then is a pen, warranty card. They don't have a manual. Who would look at the manual anyway? And a transparent case. Wow, it's not like soft. It's kind of hard and feels solid. And also we got, ooh, we organized, huh? Okay, 3.5mm phone, headphone jack 2, Type-C cable, and also we got a charger. Oh, the charger feels heavy, man. So 20 times 3. is 65. All right, the charger, and I guess that's cable, right? All right, that's what you got from the box. Let's just turn the thing on. Okay, and that's the phone, yeah, feels really smooth, and it has all those Google services apps like Facebook, YouTube, Play Store. Yeah, like I said in this video, I'm not gonna go deep about it. We just check the front selfie camera. So from this angle, with this wallpaper, seems, yeah, it's not invisible at all. I was checking some reviews of Samsung's, Z Fold 3. Yeah, that's basic crap, right? But for this ZTE AXON 30, from this angle, or even this angle, yeah, from this angle I can see, I guess. But just from a normal angle, yeah, it's totally like not visible. Okay, so if you are interested to know, this is the preview image. I would say not very bad. Yes, because with this backlight thing, it's kind of, overexposed. But looks okay, because I personally feel the diffraction is okay. I'll take one. Okay. Wow, not bad, actually. The whole image feels not blurry at all, and really nice. I mean the picture, not the expression. And the diffraction is okay, and also, like, for this one, it's even better. And wow, you can see, and not bad. I think the algorithm is really good. Anyway, yeah, that's my first impression and unboxing. Feels so solid, and my first impression is positive, and surely I will do more I will do an in-depth video about it, so stay tuned. See you guys very soon. Bye bye.